Merry Christmas from me and Penelope. Today, oh goodness, Penelope. Okay, she doesn't really want to be on camera right now. How's everyone doing? I'm filming this on my phone, so sorry if the quality is just really bad. I'm doing, honestly, kind of nothing because it's Christmas and I'm just in my house, have the day off, so that's really nice. I just wanted to film a YouTube video because I thought, do you guys see her going X game mode in the back? Like, I don't really know.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay, James.
Oh, hi, Penelope. This is so majestic. Wow. Queen seats. Hello. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. You know, maybe eat a burrito. That sounds really good. Maybe make some Christmas cookies because I do love me some cookies. And I want to build my bed frame, which came in a couple days ago. But my room is on the top floor, so it's kind of hard to get things up here. So that's gonna be a challenge, but I'm up for it. I don't know if I'm gonna have to ask for help or if I'm gonna have to do it by myself, but we'll figure it out. There she is, the bed frame. I ordered the Floyd bed frame because I've just been obsessing over it for the past couple of months. So, you know, let's, teehee, I'm shy. I'm just excited to see how it looks. Quick little, you know, gotta show off Rennie's little lair. Hi, Rennie. Are you having a good Christmas? Oh my goodness, we need to open your presents. Okay, pretty soon we'll open Rennie's presents because he also has to open his gifts. We didn't get a tree this year because, I mean, our apartment isn't even fully done, so what's the point of getting a tree if we don't even have like a couch or anything? We're still waiting on that. Yeah, I've been thinking that maybe I could make a series about decorating my apartment and how it all comes together. So this will probably be the first video of that. Rennie. So yeah, let's go upstairs and give Rennie his present really quick. Also, look at how cute this morning. Oh, I'm excited because once I set up the bed frame, I can put in my new sheets and pillows and everything. It's gonna be a cool look. Wow. Okay, let's get to it. Well, since I'm gonna be showing you guys how I decorate my room, I wanted to give you guys a quick before. Although this already is more than I had when I originally moved in here, obviously. I ended up thrifting this gold mirror for, I think $9 at a thrift store. And then right now I've just been using this space here as my little workout area. So here's the before of my room. As you can see, it's just the mattress on the floor, my shoes over there. The shelf that I got off of Facebook Marketplace, I originally had my eye on this shelf from Urban Outfitters, and it was originally like 200 and something. I'll say how much it was. And I ended up getting it for $100 and already assembled from somebody and basically new. It's kind of chipped because it almost fell over my cat when I first got it. He like stepped down here. Also, sorry for the mess. I'm gonna clean that up. Of course, have some snacks from Trader Joe's down there. So that's my room. The plan is to get a projector onto this shelf and so that you can see on that wall. Also, sorry about all the gifts and stuff. That's a whole mess I have to deal with over there that I haven't even wrapped and stuff. But yeah, I would like to ideally be able to see movies on this wall while in bed. But I think, oh, baby, she's sneezing. Penelope. You sneezing? Bless you, mama. Bless you. But I don't know if it's gonna work out because I got a platform bed and I have a feeling that my bed's gonna have to end up facing this way. But I mean, either way, I guess I could be like laying down, you know, facing this way. And then, but like, you know, tilt myself so that I can see over there. So yeah, that's cool. You know? Do you like that box, Bubba? I swear, I feel like they like boxes more than anything else. Like, look at it! It's gonna be a good Christmas morning already. You're gonna get your present soon. Aren't you so excited? You guys, I swear my cats know, well, especially my kitty, he knows when Christmas is. I feel like it's his favorite holiday too, because when he was a kitten, when we first got him like right before Christmas, and he would get on top of the Christmas tree and like glide down it or something. And every year he opens presents. He's always the first. If there's presents under the tree, he'll know exactly which is his and he'll go open it. Like, I can't make this stuff up. He does it every year. This year we don't have a tree, so I feel like he doesn't know, but he was suspecting last night and he was like sniffing at his present. I feel like he just knows. So I feel like he's gonna be really happy when he gets his little gift. Vegan burrito. You guys had these Sweet Earth burritos? I put some vegan cheese on it And, you know, some more strawberries. Oh, you look so cute. What a distinguished gentleman. What a distinguished gentleman. What a cute Christmas little boy. Frenchito. Okay, you guys, the moment has arrived. Merry Christmas, kitties. You see what's in there? Oh, now they're getting excited. Yeah, look at their little eyes. Aww. What's that, Rennie? Is that the present? Is that a present? Oh, he shouldn't go down the stairs by himself though. Yeah. Not the legs, not the legs. Be careful. Sit. Go on the bed. Okay. Penelope's like, try anyway, so. I don't know how we're gonna carry all of that all the way up there. Pray for Bianca. Pray for me 2020. Pray for Bianca. Pray for Enrique. That's big. Wow. Wow. He's so strong. And meanwhile, that's all happening. These kiddos are just chilling. Chilling like a villain. Then Penelope's over here on her crib with her bib. Oh my god. She's the most beautiful kitty in the world. You guys are the most beautiful cats in the world. Period. Penelope, you're so beautiful. Period. Oh, what's going on?
I don't know why I did that, but...
Oh, okay. Okay. Are you filming this? Not Dad coming for Bianca's boyfriend right now.
Esa es mi favorita foto. No la escogí.
Dad wants his little snack break. Mango juice. Snack break.
Dad and I are gonna have a little hand show later. He's gonna show us just some fun little...
¿Verdad que sí que sabe más bueno así con la ice?
Mango juice break.
Are you gonna get juice?
I'll go get an Izzy in a bit. We're gonna try to figure out these instructions, which I don't even know. I hate building things. But I'm glad Dad came.
Primero los cables.
Es la única parte que no entiendo, la verdad. Pero, I guess.
Pero no sé por qué chingada la cruzada y todo eso.
Looks like a stage though. It's cool. Should we push it up to the wall?
Échale, aquí estuviera porque viera.
Wow! What do you think?
Ahí se va.
Well, I love it. You like it?
I love it.
Hey. Look at this. Just had to show off this little wrap that I made. Alita sent me a video today on Instagram, and I was like, I have to make this. So we're gonna try that. That looks really good. Also, I'm on FaceTime with Annabelle. So that's fun. My camera. She said, who are you talking to?
You sounded so relaxed and natural. I could never talk to a camera so relaxed and natural.
Dude, I'm practicing.
She's a queen. She said actress. She said I did theater in high school.
Okay, all I'm gonna do for the rest of this evening is put this little flower arrangement that I got from Trader Joe's together. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. And I'm gonna try this wrap while I'm on FaceTime with Annabelle, which that reminds me, I'm gonna bring her over here because
Just two big forehead bitches.
literally, my forehead is kind of big, is it? Maybe.
All bad bitches have big foreheads, but mine is definitely like.
Period. What did you say? Yours is really what?
Mine is like mega mind level. How is it?
Oh my god, it's so good. This big ass tub.
Oh my god. Yes.
It's like huge.
Hey guys, it's editing present day Bianca here, coming in to address some things. Well, first of all, I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. I'm over here making a floral arrangement. It just makes me so happy to have fresh flowers around my house. It really uplifts my mood, and I totally recommend if you love flowers as much as I do. I also just want to say that I know that this vlog is really unorganized, and I'm sorry about music playing in certain points when we were building my bed frame. I won't do that going forward. Also, here's some clips of me putting my new sheets onto the bed now that I have my new bed frame set up. Enjoy Rennie, you know, getting in the way of it, because this is what always happens when I make my bed. And then yeah, I also want to say that if I look a little bummed out and sad in the clips of me wearing the green sweater, it's because in between Christmas and this time, I went through a breakup, and that's okay, it happens. I'm doing better now, but obviously, you know, I was just being a little sad girl. Sad girl vibes. But yeah, also, I put this comforter on inside out, so in the next clip, I correct myself and show you what it actually looks like.
Alright, so here's a new comforter. I love it. I think it needs a steamer or something, because it's like linen and it looks a little like crinkled up, so we're gonna invest in a steamer and do that. I need a steamer anyway, so you know. Yeah, I accidentally had it inside out, so I'm showing you guys what it actually looks like. Sorry this vlog was all over the place. This is just episode, or I guess first video, like showing like, you know, redecorating my room. I'm loving the new bed frame. These sheets are super comfy. Gonna test them out tonight, so that'll be good. It's like 4 a.m. right now, you guys. I was up all night talking to Annabelle on the phone, but you know what? I love that. I love that. So, love that for me. Can't even speak right now. Rennie, wanna say hi to the camera? Okay, well, we're gonna chill. We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna, you know, whatever. I hope you enjoyed watching me make a little flower arrangement. That was fun. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and we will be back to show you what else we do in this room, because honestly right now there's not much. There's just this and the shelf. I'm looking for a desk, some rugs, maybe something for that other half of the room, so I will show you guys that. Love you guys. Sorry that I look so busted right now. Peace out. Bye.